Welcome to Marito's Garage. Thank you for tuning in to our new channel where we will go over DIY automotive detail and maintenance. Please support us and subscribe and comment below. Today we will be cleaning the second row leather seats of this family's SUV. First we start off by vacuuming and removing the crumbs and dirt. I like to use my other hand to pull on the leather by the seams, since that is where most dirt accumulates and we want to get all of that out before we start our cleaning process. Most importantly, don't forget to vacuum in between the buckles so that the dirt trap does not come up later once you're all done. My favorite product for cleaning leather is Lexol's leather cleaner. I prefer to spray it on, but you can also put some directly on your brush or applicator pad. As you can see, it produces a nice rich lather after agitating with my large detail brush. After the first pass, I go back and hit the seams with a smaller detail brush to ensure that no dirt is left behind. It's important to work in small sections because you do not want the leather cleaner to dry. The dirt you have lifted up from the leather will stick to the seat again. Therefore, make sure you dry it up quickly with a clean microfiber towel as soon as you are done scrubbing with your detail brushes. As you see here, I also have a larger, more aggressive interior brush for those tough stains. I generally prefer to use the small detail brushes and only use this one if I really have to. I have two sets of detail brushes, one for the interior and one that is a little more aggressive for the exterior components like wheels and trims in order to prevent cross-contamination. If you want to know which brushes and cleaners I'm using, check out the links below. Once I got to the other side, I realized I had missed the spot and went right back to it with my detail brushes. First I hit it with my large detail brush, and then I hit it with my more aggressive brush as you see here. I like to go in small circles with my detail brushes, as I feel that this produces the most lather and cleaning effect, although sometimes my hand does get tired and I deviate a little from my instructions. I did get overly ambitious with the top of the seats and sprayed all of them at the same time. I did have to work quickly so that the product wouldn't dry. As you'll see later, once I got to the other side, I did notice the product was starting to dry a little bit. Therefore, I went back and sprayed some leather cleaner directly onto my brush so that I could get to those spots that were drying. The final step. After you have cleaned and dried the leather, you must apply a leather conditioner. I use Lexol's leather conditioner and apply it with a microfiber applicator pad. This will protect the seats from UV rays and anything else your kids might throw at them. Put some conditioner directly on the applicator pad and apply it evenly. After applying it, I wait about a minute, then turn the applicator pad over to the dry side and remove any excess conditioner. I have used a variety of leather cleaners and conditioners, but have to say that Lexol is by far my favorite. Don't think I forgot about the headrest. It's important that you do not leave too much excess product on the leather. That excess conditioner will become sticky as it dries, and it is unpleasant to sit on them, as you will feel your clothes sticking to the seat every time you get up. Now the reason the seats still look a little shiny is due to the lighting I placed inside of the vehicle. The indentations on the seats are from the car seat pressing on the leather. It's unfortunate that they're there, but this conditioner will help so that the leather does not tear in the future. Here you can see what the seats looked like before. You can see there was a couple of stains on the bottom and on the top. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching.